Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So AMC is about to get crazy today, guys. As we know, AMC is now trending all over again. The meme stock frenzy is back. People is about to get that crave again. They already got it. They just waiting on the dip buy opportunity. I told you guys once AMC got over 20, we was about to mean serious business, guys. We could open up big on Monday. We end up opening up right near expectations between 28 and 30. We hit 27.50. So everything lining up. And after doing so, we didn't hit a sell-off point like I would have expected us to. Like I told you guys, sometimes it'll roll over into the next day. So on today, you can expect for what I expected yesterday. Because after doing that, hitting that resistance point on yesterday at $28, which we did hit 27.50 in the pre-market, I would have expected for us to sell off, fall back a little bit after having been running up for the 6th straight day in a row. Today is going to make 7 if we don't show any weakness and continue to run up. But like I told you guys, I do believe, we could still get the 7th day, but it ain't going to hold and sustain like it did yesterday. AMC was very tight on yesterday, meaning as it ran up, hit 27.50, it didn't go down to the low 20s. It stayed right there in that percentile, showing that buyers and sellers is coming to agreement. Like, hey, I'm not selling at this price. I want a better price. And then the sellers, I'm not selling. I want to keep AMC as well because ain't nobody, buying or selling. Or they is buying and selling, but ain't nobody selling more than they buying. Basically is what I'm getting at. And that's giving the price that consolidation. Buyers and sellers basically coming to agreement on a price. So that don't usually happens. So anyways, guys, as we know, AMC loves to be back and forth, back and forth. But this time around is definitely could be different, guys, and I do believe it's going to be different. Being for the fact that AMC is doing the special dividend, it's going to be under the ticker APE, APE. For every AMC share that's out there, they will give you 1 APE dividend, and this is a way for them to expose naked shorts, guys, and synthetic shares. So with that being said, a lot of people didn't agree with that or don't agree with that, feel as if it's a bad thing what AMC doing. But far as, since I said that, AMC still has been on the rise. Even media outlets and companies, they trying to say that's the reason that we even where we at. But like I told you guys, of course, they'll take anything and run with it. Whenever a security or asset does what it does, they'll look back in the past, see what the best news was that came out, and use that news as the agenda to push why that asset or security is up, guys. Like I told you guys, it does have a reasoning to do with it because my conclusion of the whole thing with the special dividend, it's a great, way to expose them. And with that being said, once you expose them and the truth come out and the synthetic shares is actually there, then there's no telling how high AMC could go or how much more attention it's going to get, how much more FOMO it's going to get. So that is definitely going to be a sight to see, guys. So as we know, futures fall as inflation reports looms. The S&P 500 NASDAQ futures fall on Tuesday as chip stocks decline. So guys, this could give us a little indication, not too much of an indication, but as the NASDAQ, the S&P 500 starts to decline like that, you can expect a pullback from the overall market. I mean, it's already, that ain't my only indication, but I already was expecting that today anyway. After just being on the up and up like that, you're not just going to keep running and running and running. It's going to have to pull back, chill a little bit before it launches again. And I do believe today is going to really decide if we're ready to go right back down to the gutter or we're ready to pull back a little bit, let some dip buyers come in and rip even higher. Let the markets go higher, AMC, crypto, before coming back down. I do believe it has more bullishness in it before the reversal happened. So today is the opportunity to make some money. If you watching this video, you want to make sure you're looking at quality companies you don't heard before on this channel. If you see any weakness, crazy dip buys, I definitely would be trying to seize the opportunity, guys. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram, get in VIP. We're gonna be making crazy plays over there. Made over 100% and 70% within minutes on Tilray yesterday. So you guys already know what to do. And the day before that, we made over 120. Though last week made over 125% on Upstart, made over 100% on Carvana, and the list just keep going on. So I love y'all. Add me on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. You already know what to do. Out. God bless you. And we